Good morning, passengers. Welcome aboard Toy World Airlines. We are delighted to begin our special aerial tour of India's beautiful monuments. Dear passengers, please look to your right. The most beautiful symbols of love in the world, the magnificent Taj Mahal. Built in white marble glowing softly under the sun, it has stood for centuries as a timeless tribute to devotion and art. Toy travelers, look at the iconic Charminar, the pride of Hyderabad. Four minarets, centuries of history, and as we gently circle above, we witness a dream fulfilled, Sri Ram Mandir. A temple born from faith, resilience, and generations of devotion. Stand.